A Conservative insider told Express that senior members of the ERG are completely gutted about what happened, referring to the events which led to Mr. Sunak becoming Prime Minister. Liz Truss has been accused of trashing the right wing of the Tory party, with a Conservative insider warning that members of the powerful Tory faction, the European Research Group (ERG), are gutted about the events that led to Rishi Sunak becoming Prime Minister. The right wing of the Tory party, which traditionally supports low taxation measures, threw its weight behind Ms. Truss in this summer's leadership contest. The race saw Rishi Sunak lose to Ms. Truss in a vote of party members. She was forced to resign just 6 weeks later after her disastrous mini-budget sparked weeks of economic turmoil in the UK. But speaking to Express.co.uk, one Conservative insider said, Liz Truss has absolutely trashed the right of the party. Referring to the events which led to Mr. Sunak becoming Prime Minister, they said that senior members of the ERG are completely gutted about what happened. In his first speech outside 10 Downing Street last week, Mr. Sunak said he had been elected as Tory leader to fix the mistakes made by Ms. Truss. He also warned that the UK is facing a profound economic crisis, blaming the aftermath of COVID and Vladimir Putin's brutal war in Ukraine. He vowed to place economic stability and confidence at the heart of this government's agenda. Mr. Sunak said, this will mean difficult decisions to come. But he promised to repeat the compassion he showed during the coronavirus pandemic. The new Prime Minister also pledged to unite the party, saying, we now need stability and unity, and I will make it my utmost priority to bring our party and our country together because that is the only way we will overcome the challenges we face. Before Ms. Truss resigned, the party was battling intense division, with a vote on fracking on the final day of Ms. Truss' premiership plunging into chaos.